Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota L2501 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just under 200 hours on it. Very clean tractor. Has the LA525 quick attach front loader. Also has the quick attach front bucket. Tractor is rated at 24 horsepower and has none of the DPF or DEF systems, so it has none of the Tier 4 emission regulations on this machine. It does have the hydrostat transmission, 3-point hitch with 540 PTO, also the drawbar there, toolbox back here. Free range hydrostat transmission. Free range is located right here. Treadle pedal down there on the floor for forward reverse. Current hours are 179.2. Looks like we have warranty on the tractor through Kubota until June of 2024, so quite a bit of warranty left on the machine. It's a very, very nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.